This is how to create folders in an iPhone, alright, and still add some files inside it. First is on your home page of your iPhone, get to the Files app. You can see files here showing on the screen, okay, as one of the apps. So tap on it. Once you are on this Files app, you may be on this on my iPhone location, alright. You have so many locations. Alright, so here I am on my iPhone's location. So if I go back, if I click on this browse button, you will see some other locations here. We have iCloud Drive, we have Acrobat. This Acrobat is here because I installed Acrobat application on this iPhone. We have OneDrive because I installed OneDrive on this iPhone. We have Drive, that's Google Drive, because I installed Google Drive on this iPhone too. Okay, so major applications that can have folders inside them will show on this browse section. So it's now left for you to click on any location you want to create that folder in. So here I want to create the folder locally, so I'll click on this on my iPhone location. All right, this will display some files, okay, that are available on your iPhone, as well as some folders you have existing on it. Some of these folders are created automatically because you have certain apps installed on your iPhone. For example, WhatsApp, all right, or Zenda. Okay, let's see Zenda here. Zenda folder is created here automatically because I installed Zenda app here. So it created a folder on its own automatically. All right, likewise some other folders here, but some I created by myself. Okay, so let's take a step and create a new folder. For you to create a new folder, tap on these three dots at the top right. Okay, then this gives you some options. Select create folder, select new folder. Now you can see a folder is created here, and an untitled folder is given to it as a title. So here, let me call it today's information or today information. So give it a name of your choice. So start typing on the keys of your keyboard. Okay, let's call it today info. All right, info. Once you're done with any name you want to give to the folder, tap on the done button. All right, you can see done button here, and now this folder is created. If you want to open it, tap on it once. All right, and we are on the folder. Okay, so if I tap on these three dots, you still see some options here. All right, but that's not what you want to do here today, so I'll tap out. So now let's go and pick a document or a file and place inside this folder. So I'll tap on the back button to get back to on my iPhone location. All right, so let's say this file called student information, that I want to copy it into this new folder. All right, what I will do is that I will press on the file. Okay, and once I press on the file, you will see some options just as it is showing on this screen. All right, so let's say my interest here is to copy it. Okay, I will tap on copy. All right, alternatively you can still select move, but let's use copy here. So now this file is now copied to my clipboard. All right, so the next step is to tap on the folder we just created where we want to add that. So I'll tap on today's info folder. Now that the folder is opened, long press on a space on that folder. You will see paste option, so select paste. And now this folder is pasted inside this file is pasted inside this new folder. All right, so you can copy any file from any location in this your iPhone and paste it here. All right, and you organize your files properly. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you, and see you some other time. Stay blessed.